Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. Before starting video, I request to my loyal viewers that if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and select option all so that you can get notification of every coming video. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson.
So first sentence is I'm very congested. I'm very congested. मेरी नाक बंद हो रही है और वाकई इस वक्त मेरी नाक बंद है. Second, my stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. मेरा पेट दर्द करता है. 3. My stomach is upset. My stomach is upset. मेरा मैदा ख़राब है. Stomach पेट मैदा. 4. I've got a headache. I've got a headache. मेरे सर में दर्द है. 5. I've got a temperature. I've got a temperature. मुझे बुखार है. आप ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं. I'm ill. I'm sick. You can say one sentence all of these three sentences. Okay, so 6. I've got a sore throat. मेरा गला ख़राब है. I've got a sore throat. मेरा गला ख़राब है. 7. My eyes are hurting me. My eyes are hurting me. मेरी आंखें दर्द कर रही हैं. 8. I sprained my foot. I sprained my foot. मेरे पाँव में मोच आ गई. sprain को कहते हैं मोच आना. 9. My parts of the body suddenly falls asleep. My parts of the body suddenly falls asleep. मेरे जिस्म के हिस्से अचानक सो जाते हैं. The last one is 10. I don't sleep till midnight. I don't sleep till midnight. मुझे आधी रात तक नींद नहीं आती. ये सारी बीमारियां आप डॉक्टर को इंग्लिश में बता सकते हैं. उम्मीद है आपको ये अच्छी लगी होंगी.
So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it.
For speaking English, join my WhatsApp group given in the description. English बोलने के लिए description में दिया गया मेरा WhatsApp group join करें.
See you in next video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.